Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful moth and crystal earrings and necklaces, both in silver and gold, using chandelier crystals and just some little moth charms. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to be making a silver version and a gold version, both in necklaces and earrings of these moth and crystal jewelry. So first up, let me get my supplies out. So I have these really pretty kind of geometric moth charms that are very flat and just kind of dainty. So I'll need 3 gold ones and 3 silver ones. I will also need 2 gold leatherback earring hooks, and these are 24 karat gold plated. And then I also need 2 sterling silver plated leatherback earring hooks. And then I have a 24-inch silver stainless steel chain and a 24-inch gold stainless steel chain. And then I have my strand of chandelier crystals here that my lovely cousin Kathy gave me. So I've been having a lot of fun playing around with these crystals because they just, oh, they're so pretty when they sparkle in the light. They have all kinds of colors. And then I also need some silver and gold colored jump rings. So my first step is to get the rings cut off of my crystals, and they're kind of double rings, so it takes a second, but they're just kind of like little thin key rings almost. So I just cut one side and the other, and then I have a beautiful little crystal charm. And now comes the assembly. So I'm going to grab a few gold jump rings and a few silver jump rings. And then I'm just going to twist these open a little bit more because these crystals are kind of thick and these jump rings are a little bit small, but I don't like the look of the bigger jump rings on the crystals. So we'll feed it into the crystal and then we will pinch it shut. And then we will do the same thing on the other side of the crystal. But before I close this side, I'm going to add our moth charm, and then I'll close it up. Then I'm going to take a slightly smaller jump ring and add it to our top jump ring, as well as one of our earring hooks here. And again, just close it up. And there we have our first earring. I just love the simple look of these. So let's do the rest of these. Okay, same process for the necklace for attaching the moth. So we'll just close up our jump ring here. Make sure it's nice and tight because this is very thin and it will slip through a minuscule gap there. And then we'll take a larger jump ring and attach it to the top of our crystal and to our necklace chain here. Again, just closing it up nice and tight. And there we have our beautiful crystal and moth jewelry. We've got both silver and gold earrings and silver and gold necklaces. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.